And Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think it's my second turn to be on the stage again, officially now. I see a lot of background information knowledge with Fouzia, and I met the broker of record for the mortgage architect, and I think with April and she's in a very good hand with all the experience that you have. The real estate industry right now is going through a lot of difficulty. And I think there were a couple of questions which were asked about the valuation on the properties right now. And that difficulty we can come over jointly working with the mortgage broker and the developer. And there can be a couple of solutions to that. Let's say if a property is $1 million, the valuation has come at 800,000. You can do a mortgage up to 85%. And then you can talk to the developer. They can take a small VTB back, instead of going to litigation or in other frame of mind. So I have been a part of the industry since 2002. I have worked at Ritz-Carlton. I have the listing for Yorkville Plaza. I've been a part of Four Seasons Hotel, 111 St. Clair, One York. And then recently we did a project here at Square One, Exchange District. So in Exchange District, it's a 2 million square feet of approval right across Harry Rosen and Holt Renfrew. So with all that information, I can absolutely say that there's a flexibility on each side. So you have to have some solution from the mortgage broker, some solution from the developer, and there's some way of creativity and putting some more money from your side too. So if you work on all these three angles, I think you can end up closing a more comfortable deal. So I think everything is information and knowledge in any industry. And with experience, we have a lot of experienced people here. I see faces which I have worked with since 2002, 2003, sitting there. And I see a lot of good support in real estate industry here for Fouzia. From myself as Skyfeel Developments, we are launching a fantastic project of investment in Clifton Hill District, a theme resort, which is, if you have been to the Grateful Lodge, how many of you have been to Grateful Lodge in Niagara Falls? Okay, few of them. So this Grateful Lodge has an indoor water park. So we are putting in a full theme resort right at Clifton Hill, next to the Sky Wheel. It's a 300 million plus product. It's an investment product, investment driven, more income generating. So it's not just your regular one. And we'll make sure we have state of art it's a world class project with world class team. We have the #1 consultant, Pro Slide, which is putting in the water park for us. We have Disney World consultant working with us. And for the project construction, we have Jane, which is the Rolex Tower in Dubai. All the homestead properties in Ontario is done by them. They're also a part of the Exchange Tower we just did recently. So we have the best team here, and for the finance side, we'll make sure that there's a good opportunity made available to our dear friend here, Fouzia. And we welcome you to the community of real estate, finance, and development. And it's a huge market here. There's a $100 billion market every year just in GTA. So there is enough money to be made, a lot of families to be served, and I think great success for all of us. Let's have one clap for all the professionals who are here, for yourself. So God bless you, love you all. Inshallah, with Allah's rahmat, I see a great future. Yes, there's a turn down right now, but I feel going forward after March, with the interest rate checking in, with some investments coming from Europe, and I think there may be a new kind of... Mr. Arshad is here, a real dear friend and a pioneer of, I think, media in GTA. So it's always a pleasure to see Arshad bhai. So I was just I'm going to conclude. I won't take much time, but having some more information at the provincial level, federal level, how I see that market is turning is after March. There'll be a lot of new money coming from Europe as well as Middle East. And let's see, there's some offering happening with China too. So if that happens, I believe there will be a turnaround in the economy in a positive way after March. Inshallah, let's hope for that. And just parting, Fouzia, again, congratulations. I see a lot of energy in you, very positive energy. And I think with the experience and a little bit of family networking, you'll be a power to watch. Inshallah. Take care.